Let's dive into the Le Creuset 8QT Oval Dutch Oven review script. For the best price, click the link in the description. If you're a home cook or baker looking for an upgrade to your kitchen arsenal, I've got some great news and a warning for you. But here's what surprised me about the Le Creuset 8QT Oval Dutch Oven. It's not just any ordinary cooking vessel. Therefore, if you're still using a subpar Dutch oven or struggling with mediocre cookware, this review is for you. As an avid cook myself, I've been eyeing this particular model for months, wondering if the hype was worth it. But what really caught my attention was its oval shape and the promise of even heat distribution that Le Creuset's signature enamel coating offers. However, I soon realized that this Dutch oven is more than just a pretty face, it's a game changer in your kitchen. So let's dive deeper into why you should be excited about the Le Creuset 8QT Oval Dutch Oven and what sets it apart from other cooking vessels on the market. But first, I want to address a common concern many of you might have: the price. Therefore, if budget is an issue for you, stick with me as we explore the value this Dutch oven provides. According to Le Creuset's website, their 8QT Oval Dutch Oven features a stunning, hand-painted design that's not only visually appealing but also durable and long-lasting. But here's what I found out: the real magic happens when you put it to the test in your kitchen. Therefore, let's talk about performance. The Le Creuset 8QT Oval Dutch Oven is designed with a thick, heat-retentive core that ensures even cooking results every time. This, combined with the enamel coating, makes it an ideal choice for slow-cooking stews, braising meats, and roasting vegetables to perfection. However, I want to reiterate, this isn't just about cooking technique. It's also about using the right tools. What I love about Le Creuset is their commitment to creating cookware that stands the test of time. Therefore, if you're looking for an investment piece that will last you years to come, look no further than this Dutch oven. But what really impressed me was its versatility. From soups to casseroles, it can handle anything you throw at it. Now, let's get into some specifics about the Le Creuset 8QT Oval Dutch Oven's design and features. As mentioned earlier, it boasts an impressive 8-quart capacity, making it perfect for large families or entertaining guests. However, its oval shape takes up less space on your stovetop compared to traditional round Dutch ovens. Therefore, if you're short on kitchen real estate, this is a great option. But what about the enamel coating? You might be wondering, how does it compare to other cookware brands out there? Well, let me tell you. Le Creuset's signature enamel is not only durable but also easy to clean and maintain. But here's what I found interesting: the more you use it, the better it gets. One thing that sets Le Creuset apart from competitors is their attention to detail. Therefore, if you value craftsmanship and durability in your cookware, this Dutch oven is a must-have. But don't just take my word for it, let's take a look at some of its key features. 8-quart capacity for large families or entertaining. Thick, heat-retentive core for even cooking results. Signature enamel coating for durability and ease of cleaning. Hand-painted design with vibrant color options. Versatile enough to handle soups, stews, casseroles, and more. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about performance. But here's what really caught my attention: the Le Creuset 8QT Oval Dutch Oven's ability to sear meat like a pro. Therefore, if you're struggling with achieving those perfect sears on your steaks or roasts, this might be the answer you've been looking for. In addition to its exceptional performance, I want to highlight one more benefit: Le Creuset's 10-year warranty. But here's what it really means for you: peace of mind when investing in high-quality cookware that will last for years to come. Therefore, if budget is an issue but you're willing to invest in a piece that will stand the test of time, consider this Dutch oven. Now that we've explored the Le Creuset 8QT Oval Dutch Oven's features and benefits, it's time to talk about value. But here's what I found out: this Dutch oven is worth every penny if you're serious about cooking and entertaining at home. Therefore, let's break down the cost versus benefit. While some of you might be thinking that $300, $400 for a Dutch oven is steep, consider this. Le Creuset's cookware is designed to last for years to come, making it an investment piece rather than just another kitchen gadget. But here's what I want to emphasize: the quality and performance you get from this Dutch oven far surpass other options on the market. Before we wrap up, let me leave you with one final thought. If you're still unsure about investing in a Le Creuset 8QT Oval Dutch Oven, consider this: it's not just about cooking, it's also about enjoying quality time with family and friends. But here's what I found out: the memories you create around food are worth so much more than any amount of money. For those of you who have decided to join me in the world of Le Creuset, click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon.